Today in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can add follow button on your Facebook profile. As you guys can see that I have done like view as, and we can see that there is no any kind of follow button over here. And this is, so today we are going to add a follow button over here. So first you will need to click on your account profile, then click on setting, then go to settings, and let's leave it. All right guys, now scroll down until you guys find followers and public content over here, and click on that icon. Then you will need to click on who can follow me. So click on this friend icon, then set this to public, and it should say like changes to saved. Once you guys have set this to friend, then you will need to click on your account and go ahead and check it out right now as view as. And there you go guys, we have added the follow button, and now everyone can see follow button on your profile. And it's that simple guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.